crazy right now. But the first product is going to be the new Cantu Avocado Hydrating Curl Activator. It looks like this. It is 12 fluid ounces. It is made with avocado oil, shea butter, mango butter, olive oil, and aloe. It also says it defines and softens and gives you frizz-free curls. It has no silicones, no parabens, or no mineral oil. It says that you can use with the Cantu Defense and Sign Custard, but I do not have that, so we're going to use the gel that also comes with it. And we're going to see if that works better with it. It actually says that you should apply to damp hair, but I'm not going to drench my hair. I'm going to apply it just like it says. So I'm going to follow the directions because I want my hair to dry quicker. So I'm already sectioned off. I'm going to take this side down and we're about to get right into it. So we're going to add water to this section of my hair. I like working back to front when I'm doing wash and goes because it just makes it more easier. I'm going to add like a dollop, but y'all know I'm a little heavy-handed with products, so this is how it looks. It smells like baby lotion. Creamy consistency, but a little bit more on a liquidy side, but it's still creamy to the point it's sticking to my hands. So we're just gonna add it to the whole section first because I'm trying not to use a lot of product nowadays, like on my wash and goes, so it doesn't be weighed down because I like my wash and goes to be defined, but they don't have to be like, have the extra hold. So this is how it's looking when you first add it on. It's very moisturizing. Like literally with this whole line that they just came out with, I feel like it was like geared towards making sure your hair is hydrated and moisturized. And it is a hydrating curl activator, so we love that. It's definitely like you can feel all the oils, all the butters that they did add to this. And I think it is doing something for my curls. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to rake that. So now I'm gonna go in with this Cantu Avocado Hydrating Gel. It basically says the same thing as the curl activator says. Nothing new, but it also says basically mix this with the curl activator cream or the coconut curling cream. I really am liking this more than I like the coconut curling cream. Honestly, this is more hydrating, and I feel like you don't need that much to make your curls basically activate, because my curls are definitely coming out and they're very soft and moisturized. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this. And let's see, it smells the same. It smells like some type of lotion, some type of baby lotion. And that's it. I'm gonna go in with a small amount at first. With this little section. Going on, it doesn't, like, you know how when you use like a thicker gel and it makes your hands like sticky? This is not it at all. You can tell it's infused with a lot of the oils, which I love. And it doesn't smell like alcohol. Yes, that is like, this gel is definitely alcohol free. It says that. Like, it don't have that strong chemical smell that, you know, most gels have. That is how it's looking right now. My curls are soft. My hands are not as sticky. The smell is wonderful. It's not too potent, not something that's overwhelming. My neck is definitely not sticky, and I feel like my curls are just like they're separating by themselves. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. As this side, I just finished applying the gel in the curl activator, and this side, as you can see, is shrunk up. So this is mostly dry. I like fluffy wash and goes, but it seemed like this wash and go with this gel kind of did the shingling method. So it was just like kind of inevitable for my hair to look like it is just defined, really, really defined, which is fine because I mean, I like this look. It's like have a little curl going on, but you know, all in all, these products Cantu came up with A1. I haven't liked my hair in a wash and go in so long. So long, y'all. Like, okay, y'all, so this video was supposed to be completed a couple of days before, but this is like 2-3 days later. What I think about both of the products mixed together, they are good. They're good products, and I'm definitely gonna keep using them like I've stated before. But after taking my bonnet off after 3 days or so, all I seen was white flakes. And still to this day, it's like little, like small white flakes. I did add some of my dry oil mist on my hands. You know, I just sprayed it all around, put it in my hands, and then I just put it in this style because down I didn't like it because, again, I like more stretched out looks. Like I use like stretched out creams when I am doing the wash and go that leave my hair more fluffy. Not saying this didn't leave my hair fluffy, because my hair is definitely curly and has a little frizz, but that's the only thing I can really say about these products is that the flaking does, if you add a lot of gel, it can cause a lot of flaking. But for your curls, it's good. The activator alone, I wouldn't say it's like a frizz-free activator, like it says, because when I just added the activator on damp hair, like it said, it still created a little bit of frizz, and I know when it dried, it was gonna be frizzy, period, point blank. But other than that, the products are very good. I do recommend them. Yeah, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just put it up into this style because, again, I didn't like my hair down like it did, so I just swooped the edges with this, what is this called? She Bomb Collection glaze. Now, I had got this when I originally had did my knotless braids, but I still use it for my edges because it's dope and your girl edges is swimming. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all are prepared for the rest of the videos coming out. This video was supposed to be out and I just did it, and I'm still talking. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Guru Gang.